So as you can see, the first slide basically represents the MHCV engine outlook by emission standard in the Middle East and Africa region. So the graph on the left represents the MHCV production by engine emission level. And the MEA market, as can be seen from the graph, is dominated by the diesel fuel engines, and the trend remains the same in the long term. However, the only change that we see is the adoption of more mature emission regulated engines as we move forward in the decade. Basically, largely due to the availability of low-grade fuel across the region and different countries, and lack of the implementation of more, mature emission regulations. Most countries adhere to Euro 2 and Euro 3 emission standards in the region. Whereas you can see in 2021 only Euro 2 and Euro 3 combined, you captured around the majority market with more than 96% share in the region, whereas the higher or more mature emission engines cover just 4% of it. Apart from that, we estimate an uptake of Euro 4 and Euro 5 engines share from 2025 and increasing further down the forecast, which is basically due to OEMs upgrading the engines with vehicle generation change and countries adopting high quality fuel. Whereas we expect that Euro 5 and Euro 4 to acquire an market share of around 46% approximately in 2030. And one thing to note here is that we do not estimate Euro 6 coming in Middle East Africa in this decade, as per our estimations.